Hey, hi. I'm Sanaya.
Hi Sanaya, I'm Rohit. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing well too. Come on, let's do tea.
Tell me about yourself.
I am a simple and honest person. I respect family values and like to improve myself. What do you do?
I am currently working. I always try to do my best at my job.
May I know what kind of life partner you like?
Someone who is kind, understanding, and shares similar values.
Why do you want to marry?
I want to share my life with a caring and understanding partner.
Why an arranged marriage?
I believe families help in choosing the right life partner. What kind of partner do you want?
I want a kind, honest, and respectful partner.
What are your expectations from marriage?
I want a partner who supports my dreams and understands me.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading, learning new things, and spending time with my family.
That's nice. Do you believe in family values?
Yes, family is very important to me.
Are you open to living with family after marriage?
Yes, I am open to it if there is love and respect. How do you handle problems?
I talk calmly and try to find a solution.
What does marriage mean to you?
Marriage means trust, respect, and supporting each other.
What are you willing to compromise in a relationship?
I am ready to adjust my habits and priorities. I believe compromise is part of any good relationship. What irritates you the most?
When people chew loudly or leave dishes in the sink?
And also, dishonesty and disrespect irritate me the most. I believe in clear and honest communication.
What if I lose my job?
I will support you emotionally and help you until things get better.
Problems should be faced together. I will stand by you in every situation.
No matter what happens, I will support you.
What are your fears?
I fear losing trust and misunderstandings in a relationship.
Do you snore?
Sometimes when I always.
What is your favorite food?
I like home-cooked Indian food.
Do you know how to cook?
A little bit.
That's okay. I cook well. I'll cook for you.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke?
No, I don't have these habits.
So, do you want to continue working after marriage?
Yes, I think I'd like to.
Good.
I would like to continue working after marriage, as work gives me independence, confidence, and personal growth.
Every clock, both home and work can be managed smoothly. Family will always remain my priority.
How will you manage your personal and professional life?
I believe with proper planning, mutual understanding, and shared responsibilities.
Do you take cigarettes, alcohol, or anything like that?
No, I don't.
So, how will you manage your personal and professional life?
With you by my side, I'll balance it all.
If at the same time both your mother and my mother were unwell, what do you think I should do in such a situation?
I believe the solution is very simple. You would take care of my mother, and I would take care of yours. In a marriage, both families become one, and responsibilities should be shared with love and understanding.
Marriage is about standing on by each other and supporting both families equally.
We discussed many things today. I think a few more meetings will help us understand each other better.
Yes, that sounds good to me. I have to go now, it's getting late. See you later.
If you like our conversation, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Your love means a lot to me.
Please watch this channel.
You will become a good English speaker very quickly.